Observing the progressive design and that unique golden logo, this feels like an entirely new category for the brand. And what is core DNA driving this specific line?
Yeah, that is very simple. The ID UNIX category from Volkswagen Anhui stands for progressive design and state-of-the-art intelligence, benchmark, driving dynamics. And this close to production ID UNIX 09 is a great example of how we are extending our product portfolio and further shape the identity of this category. And it's a 5-meter-long sedan. It's tailored for the more status-driven and highly attractive B segment. And with the market entry planned for the second half of this year, it will allow us to further extend our customer base here in China.
The ID UNIX 09 arrived remarkably quickly. How did you achieve the pace without compromising on engineering standards?
Your question is precisely to the point. The ID UNIX 09 is our second model from our XPeng corporation, and it has been developed in just 24 months. It features state-of-the-art intelligence such as Level 2 advanced driving with navigation on autopilot, smart AI assistant, and high computing power to smoothly operate as a co-driver. And most importantly, we did not reduce any of our standards. We combined the best of both worlds, our global strength and engineering depth with regional focus and local speed.
Global engineering, local speed, and no shortcuts. ID UNIX 的核心 DNA 前卫设计、尖端智能、标杆级价。
Yeah, we've heard those keywords. It's 5 meters long, targeting the B segment. Is going to be launched during the second half of this year. It took them only 24 months working together with XPeng, with a host of intelligent features, and no standard is compromised. It's a combination of the best of the two worlds, the German engineering and local innovation. But their answers are far more than this.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.